Well, it's hard to see, but in here there's some dead beetles in there that we caught in the trap, which is good to see. Pink Hive looks like they're putting in an awful lot of honey for the winter coming. Yeah, just a lot of honey going in. This is the green hive. Good amount of brood here. It's kind of nice to see. More brood here. There's the queen right there. You can see her walking. It's the white hive. Good amount of brood here, which is nice to see. Yeah, tons of brood in the white hive. Looks like some brood here in the blue hive. Both sides. Brood, looking good. White hive, more brood. Some small hive beetles in here.